back to the channel. All right, so I've talked about this one, Type R versus C63. 63 isn't here. Obviously Lexi has it, she's at work. My wife bought this car. I was thinking the C63 is pretty quick, but it is a convertible. It is a little bit heavier and it's not the S model. So I was thinking, I wonder, because I was like, the Type R has a little bit of power. I know that obviously off the line, Type R struggles, but so does the C63. Thought, out of my curiosity, let's see what they'll do. So anyway, we'll see how it goes. I think the disadvantage I'm gonna have is the Type R is a manual, whereas the C63 is a, they call it the 9-speed MCT. So it's got a quick shifting transmission, and that may end up being a disadvantage for me because that transmission is gonna run through the gears. Anyway, let's get to the video. Let's try to roll again. obviously, you see, there was not enough for the Type R to overcome the C63. What was I thinking? I mean, it was a slaughter. I apologize, Type R owners out there. I thought maybe it'd be a good match, but apparently not. But I gave it the best I could. That was a horsepower to me. That was clearly power from beginning to the end. And despite my efforts of trying to run through the gears, I just could not match that quick shifting transmission to that C63. And then one time I did get locked out. I don't know why. The car never done this before, but going from third to fourth, it didn't like grind, but it was like a lockout. So I don't know what that was about, but anyway, it wouldn't have mattered anyway. I mean that C3 has already started hit his stride, and it was going to be over with regardless or not. But let's do a better one. We're gonna do the C63 versus X5M. Yeah, let's do that one.